Hola, my name is Sunny. I'm the bar manager of Serenity, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Spanish coffee. First thing and foremost, you need to check if the glass is clear. Orange, rim it. Rim it with sugar. Make sure it's brown. First ingredient you're going to put is the sambuca. You need to light it because you need to caramelize the sugar on the rim. Grated nutmeg, cinnamon, second is Kahlua, next is going through an orange liquor, make a fast stir. Shot of espresso. Top it up with black coffee. Make sure it's fresh. Again, you need to stir it. Whipping cream. Your garnish will be the same, the nutmeg and the cinnamon. And celery stick. Here you go.